Hi, I'm Vanessa Seder with Maine Lobster Now, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to boil lobster tails. Bringing home lobster tails is a great option if you want to cook lobster at home but don't want to deal with all the mess. So in this box, I have 2 frozen lobster tails, and they come from fresh lobsters straight off the coast of Maine. They're packed in dry ice to ensure that they stay frozen until they come home to you. So I like to be careful when handling them so that I don't touch the dry ice. So you can put these directly in the freezer for up to 3 months, or if you want to cook them right away, we recommend putting them in the refrigerator to thaw for up to 24 hours. It's really important to make sure that your tails have thawed completely so that after they cook, it ensures that the meat won't stick to the shell. So I have a couple tips for you to make sure that yours thaw completely as well. So I like to press into the middle of the meat, and if it's really soft, that's a really good sign that it's thawed. Another thing I like to do is I like to curl the tail, and if it easily curls back and forth, that's another good sign that it's probably completely thawed. So as they cook, you might notice that your shells and your tails like to curl. So to prevent this, I have a little trick, which I do, where you take a skewer and you just poke it through the top, and then this just kind of helps them so that they remain flat on the plate after they cook. Okay, now we're ready to boil. Once your water has reached a rolling boil, reduce heat to a soft boil. Heavily salt the water to mimic ocean water. This helps the lobster meat stay plump and have lots of flavor. Our lobsters are going to cook about 6 to 8 minutes. Depending upon your size of lobster determines the amount of time needed to cook. Once your lobsters are done boiling, transfer to a sheet pan of ice to stop the cooking. So now that our tails are done boiling, we're ready to plate. First, I remove the skewers. I like to have mine with a side of corn, some clarified butter, a squeeze of lemon. It's a simple meal that is sure to impress. Have your own Maine experience with Maine Lobster Now. If you like this video, check out our other videos at Maine Lobster Now, or you can check out our website with the link below.